Hello, my beauties. Welcome to my channel again. I'm very excited because, hey, I'm trying to be consistent. How are you guys doing? How are you? What's cooking? Welcome, guys, to my channel, All Things Mandeme. Yes, my name is Mandeme. And if you are new or you have just been watching my content without subscribing, kindly subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe to my channel. Okay. Thank you for subscribing. Okay, so today I'm styling or I'm curling this frontal of mine. If you have not watched a video of how to buy hair and my first installation, please kindly do so. I'm definitely gonna link the videos on my description and on the screen also, just so that you watch how I got the hair, how much was the hair, and all the details. Okay, so I figured I want to curl the hair just to give it a new look and just for me to feel different when wearing it, because you can see it came straight. It was a straight frontal wig, right? And I was just realizing that it's boring me. I need something, I just need it to be different and all that. So I decided to buy this Flexi rods. They're very affordable. I bought mine for 30 rand. And I think if they're expensive, it's 50 rand. And guys, I love them. But I just realized that I needed 2 pegs of this, because now when you have small rods, you are forced to take a huge chunk of your hair and curl it, you understand? And you might not get the curls that you are looking for because you just took this chunk of hair, and you're gonna get chunk curls if you didn't want chunk curls. So I advise any person who wants to curl their hair with Flexi rods, please buy 2 packs. We're gonna let the rods curl the hair for some time. You can even sleep with them if you can, just so that the curls come out well. So when you move along, we are going to do the glam. We wanna make ourselves beautiful. Yeah. So I'm trying to correct my skin right there because I have dark pimples, and I'm using my orange concealer and the lighter concealer, LA Pro Girl concealer, just to cover up there. So when I put foundation, I don't put too much, trying to cover the dark spots. You get me? Yeah. If you want a video about color correcting or underpainting and other things, please go watch my videos or just search for underpainting under my videos. You're gonna find it. And then I moisturize my skin with this serum, guys. I'll tell you a story about this serum, but it's working wonders for me. Normally, this is how I do my makeup every day. I do underpainting. So underpainting is literally putting concealer or applying concealers before you apply your foundation. And this helps you to sculpt your face, obviously. And also the major thing is to help you not to put too much foundation, you understand? Because guys, it's a lot of products, a buildup of foundation, creams, powders, and sometimes you need to be very strategic when we are doing this makeup, not to just load so much product. And it doesn't matter, makeup is art, you can do it however you want, but this hack, guys, will change your life, because most of the time you're gonna see when I'm applying the foundation, I'm not gonna even put a lot of foundation. You're gonna see, because obviously there are creams under, they've already covered dark spots, they've already, you can see, I've already contoured there, so there's no need for you to put so much foundation, you understand? Because a lot of people use foundation to cover up. Yeah, I was just enjoying my music there, don't worry. So try this hack, it will save you. Now I'm moving to my foundation. You see that brush I'm holding in my hand? That's the amount of foundation I'm using. So when you see the need, obviously you will add, but I'm telling you guys, this is the best hack you can ever try, and it always makes your makeup look a little bit natural but full glam and not heavy. I don't know how to explain it in a proper way to you, but yeah. And this brush that I'm using, it's irritating me. It's leaving some hair on my face and all that, because I didn't wash my brushes. Like, I didn't wash my foundation brushes, but I kind of like, liked it. I don't know, but I'm not gonna use it because that's like a powder brush. It's too fluffy, you understand? But I managed. We all know the struggle of washing brushes and also taking content, guys. Content. I didn't plan to do my makeup, but after I rolled and my hair and curled it, I was like, there's no way. I have to glam myself. So that's why I had to use that brush. So yeah. Also, a quick one. I just wanted to say, if you're a content creator and you don't have iPhone, you don't have these fancy things, you know what? Just use what you have. You will not believe that I'm just using a LG what. I don't even know the model of LG. But look at the quality. You just need good lighting and you are good to go. Take content, trust in your craft, right? Okay. Now I am contouring my face. I love contouring. If there's anything in makeup I cannot live without, it's contouring, because it just makes a lot of things different. It elevates your makeup. Like, it makes you look like your things, your things. So you have seen that I have contoured before with the cream contour, but obviously it's to reinforce the color or to reinforce the contour. So I'm using that Maybelline Fit Me press powder. It's a dark one, and I'm using it to contour with it. I'm also going on my lace just to match it. There shouldn't be too much like harsh lines between lace and my forehead and all that. We are trying to look good. Next, I am now going to set my makeup. I'm using the Signature translucent powder, loose powder. Yeah, I normally do this, guys, and my makeup never shifts. I don't believe in doing anything complicated or putting so much products on my face just to get a certain look. You can literally achieve any makeup look with little products. Yeah, you all saw my video. I'm not using any fancy thing, and these things are very, very affordable. Now I am bringing the glow to my cheeks. I just want to look beautiful, golden, and all that, So I'm just using a bronzer. A shiny one can work. Anything that you have even an eyeshadow that is a little bit shiny, brown, you can. But just make sure that you don't put too much. And then I take my lip gloss. It's for rent, that lip gloss, guys. I lined my lips and look at me. Look at this girl, right? Okay, let's get to this hair. The moment of truth has finally arrived. Oh, look at the curl. Guys, the curls are killing. The curls are killing. Honestly, I'm so proud of myself because, as a first time frontal owner, there's so much pressure. You want your wig to look like a certain wig. You want to look like certain people. You have pressure. Ngapa, it's content. Go home, So learning how to curl my hair and my hair coming out like this, it actually made me to be very proud. But I've also learned some of the mistakes that I've done with these rods. Like I've said in the beginning of the video, that I think I needed two. And I think anyone who wants to own a frontal or who has frontal and wants to curl their hair with rods, please buy two and buy a mousse. Is it mousse or mousse? Yeah, it's 60 rand, that mousse, the spray. It's a foam. Yeah, buy it and buy 2 packs of this and curl your hair. And the other thing that I've learned is that you need to take long with those curls on your head. Like, they need to dry on your head. So my hair was still wet. I love it though. Like, it looks super good. Like, I love it, but that's not what I had imagined. I thought by the time I'd be done with my makeup, this whole thing, will be like, the curls will be like big, but no. And my hair was still wet. So I would advise you to take overnight with them, sleep with them, or take the whole day with them, and then, or do them in the morning, then later, unravel them. But otherwise, I love this. Tell me what you think about this process. Did you like it? Do you love my hair this way? Obviously, I wanted bigger curls, but I feel like I love this. But obviously, your opinion also matters. Guys, I'm screaming. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for the love, and bye.